Welcome friends. We are going to make fresh coriander powder at home, which is extensively used in our Indian cooking both in veg and non-veg dishes. Though ready-made powder is available in market, the freshness and aromatic flavor is unique in this homemade roasted coriander powder. Ingredients: 100 g coriander seeds, preparation method. Place pan or kadai on stove and turn on flame. Add coriander seeds, on medium flame dry roast with stirring for 2 minutes. As coriander starts to crackle, turn flame off. Transfer to bowl and leave 5 minutes for cooling. Transfer to grinding jar. Grind to fine powder. Transfer to bowl and leave for cooling. Fresh homemade aromatic coriander powder is ready. For future use, store in airtight container. Thanks for watching this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.